Welcome. My name is Dawn DelVecchio, and this is
Marguerite Rigoglioso.
And we are so excited to have you here with us. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. We are welcoming you to a most powerful container called the Soul Relief and Renewal Weekend. And we wanted to just take a couple moments to share with you a little bit about why now, why you, and why us.
So yeah, this is a time of greater spiritual initiation. And how you may know this is a time of greater emotional upheaval, anxiety, depression, confusion, fear, worries about money, worries about the environment, relationship clashes, all those types of things seem to be ratcheting up.
Yeah. The intensity is increasing, and yet at the same time, the opportunity for us to rise up and kind of pop out of the old matrix of control is greater than it's ever been before. So Marguerite and I got together we've been friends for some time now and had been called to co-create something. And as we went into ceremony to receive guidance about what that might be, the message was very clear, very quick, and very strong that it is a time for restoration, renewal, for a deeper level of healing and upgrade for the people, the sisters and brothers in our communities. So, like many leaders may experience, when we are called to lead in a certain way, we must step through our own initiations on that journey that we may be able to guide and support others. And so, of course, that's what we started to go through, having each other and other sisters and brother friends as support. So we've personally been going through our initiations and experience and also working with our clients to get a lot of clarity on what it is we need to bring to this container. And we are really, our love for humanity, our mission to be in service, and our sister connection have brought forward something that we're excited to share with you and really want to open to invite you into.
That's right. And one thing that really struck me in that ceremony was pretty much like a psychic downpour, which said, this is a critical time right now for people because we've been getting a very big influx of energy. And that was felt by us over the past 3 years, the events of the last 3 years, which put us a lot into silence and solitude. And there literally has been a stream of light or energy that can sometimes feel like it's too much. And that's why we've been having these emotional reactions. It's not too much. We just need the tools for how to clear and integrate around that. And that was the genesis of this weekend together.
Yes. Yes. We wanted to just tell you a little about what we'll be doing so that you get a sense of what you can expect. So one thing is our focus is going to start with clearing any and further healing any old wounds so that you can become available for the abundant opportunities now present for us in the frequencies bombarding our planet.
Yeah, because it might look bad, but actually, once we do a little bit of this house cleaning, we start, the veil starts lifting and we start realizing what a wonderful world it actually is. And we want to get back to that intrinsic feeling that is who we are as humans, as divine humans on the planet.
Yeah, yeah. And this lets you amplify your light body, which is another core intention for our weekend together. So you can deepen into your spiritual journey with greater well-being and greater vitality as well.
Yeah, because the light body is a real thing. It sounds like, sort of a new age platitude, but it really is something that is within ourselves and around us. And it's our essential vibration. It's what makes us alive along with the breath. So there are things that we are needing for our light body right now in order to move through this sort of clog and this difficult feeling period and get to the place where we will feel better.
Yeah. And this is also an opportunity to receive empowerments from Mother Divine for your soul's purpose, whatever that is, so you can move forward with greater clarity and greater strength.
Yeah, Dawn and I are both real aficionados, priestesses of Divine Mother in many of her different forms, and you may have your own connectivity as well. She and her multiplicity of 10,000 names and ways of being are available for us now, and we really need this deeper level guidance and support to help us. We don't have to go it alone and do it by ourselves. So we are calling in on those energies as a part of this weekend to support us.
Yes, yes, indeed. For sisters and brothers,
That's
we
right.
all need the Divine Mother's guidance right now, and that support, that openness. And speaking of openness, the other piece of this is really to support you in opening your own intuitive sight to expansive new levels, so that you can see what's really going on and know how to take action in your life that's unique for you.
Yeah, that was definitely a surprise in the ceremony, that we were shown that people have been getting more psychic, whether they realize it consciously or not. And that's part of the excruciating feeling that we're going through when we're dealing with other people, even getting in their physical presence. And so there are just, again, some integrations and adjustments that we want to make to really own that intuitive, even psychic power, we would call it.
Yeah. And so, just to wrap this up, we wanted to tell you a few things you can expect to walk away with from your time with us. The first is really relieving the pressure from the heavy changes within and around us.
That's right. And you're going to come away not only owning and feeling your psychic intuitive abilities, but having your spirit fortified, after that rest. It's like after a vacation, you can go into your life feeling a lot better and feeling a lot more productive and poised to manifest the goals that we are also going to help you revise and activate during this weekend.
Yeah. Yeah. And this really speaks to the energetic uplift that happens when we come together for a sacred purpose in a safe and sacred container and literally do the work on all levels of our being. So, on all levels of your being, you can expect to walk away with more energy, more clarity, and more joy for walking through this incredible time on earth.
Yeah, we have lots of tools that we either will be bringing that we've already developed, or those we will be receiving in ceremony or in direct communication with spirit between now and then, to calibrate it exactly for what people will be needing. And it's going to be, an oasis for the soul. I mean, a respite place that basically we need right now.
Yes, indeed. Yeah. Yeah, and you can expect stronger receptivity to the natural abundance that's really available to all of us right now when we align our energies instead of the old pattern of being contracted in fear.
Yeah.
Having that greater capacity to access your higher guidance for your unique journey, by definition, also opens you to those streams of abundance, whether it's money or other things, because when you line up with what your soul came here to do, you are supported.
Yeah, and we always need a reminder of that. And
Yeah.
especially right now, where a lot of us are feeling ground down, weary and overwhelmed. And we're very far from that trusting place. So we are collectively going to come back to the trusting place. And then also, once we have ourselves filled, we are going to spend some time sharing this energy, the benefits of what we've received this weekend with our world, and really creating an intervention, you might say,
Yeah.
or an activism from our gathering, where we are sending these pulses out into the world, and we know they will be having an effect.
Yeah. So we are very excited about this weekend, and we would love for you to join us. You can read through the information on this page. You will see how much of our love and our hearts we have put into co-creating this. And so read it through, click on the link, and you can register and join us. And we can hardly wait to welcome you to this sacred container for rest, renewal, and a recalibration for your soul's sacred journey in this life.
Blessed be, and see you November 3rd through 5th. Bye for now.